Good morning, students. Last class I finished here is up to here. That was impossible for me. Okay, children, I told many times, open your textbook. So that is just follow. That is what I am going to explain here. If you are not having textbook, you can't understand what I explained. The language is here is to see the textbook and you should follow strictly. It is very, very important for you because asking questions, especially comprehension questions, only depend upon understanding the lesson itself only. Okay, children. Now the lesson is here is unit 1. First one, the theme of the unit is here. Personality development. That is, the lesson is here is attitude is altitude. Attitude means the way what we have to think. So here altitude means here great R. Here that is great R, that is height. Great R here is height. So now children, that is Nick born as a torso. He has no limbs. Then his parent decided join him in mainstream school. Mainstream school means it is a regular school. Then after that he could achieve a degree that is called financial planning and real estate degree. Then when he obtained his degree, he understood that what his parents did. He completely understood that. So his parents prepared everything for himself. His father learned how to swim at the age of 1.5 years, and he also taught him how to type letters, especially on computer keyboard, at the age of 6 years old. Now, children, that is in his school, next school, he received many comments, many criticisms from his school friends and classmates also. Even though he received that is many comments, but he succeeded his life because of his hard work and strong determination. Now children, next paragraph, page number 4. The picture above the paragraph. At the age 10, Nick tried to drown himself. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself. Drown himself in the bathtub. Bathtub lo at the age of 10 years vayasulo try chesadu tanu muniki chanipodamani. Already there is the last class I told you. He wanted to kill himself. He said this directly to his mother. He shared what he experienced everything to his mother. Mother ki tanu pratidi share chesevadu. 8 years appude tanu chanipodam decide. At the same time ikkada mother 10 years ago try chesadu bathtub lo muniki chanipodam anukunnadu. But luckily, that is, the attempt was unsuccessful. Children, here successful opposite unsuccessful, that is failure. So the attempt was, that is fail. I felt there was no purpose when you lack purpose and strength. Now children, it is very important once comprehension questions ask that here phrase. I felt there was no purpose. What do you mean by this sentence? I will first to Nick. I felt there was no purpose means here your life has no goal. Your life has no goal because Nick, you are born as a torso. You are born as a torso. In this way, you have no goal to achieve. You have no goal to achieve. Yeah, Nick, no. Torso, you are born, that is torso. So that's why you have no goal. You have no goal. Nick goal ante ledu, Nick oka laksham anedi ledu. That is very important. I felt, tanu feel adanta. Why? What did he feel? He feel he has no goal to achieve. He has no goal to achieve. Chusara? Tanu feel adu. ఏ గోల్ అచీవ్ లేదు. మన వాళ్ళు మన స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. అసలు గోలే ఉండదు వాళ్ళకి. నో ఫీలింగ్స్, నో గోల్. వాళ్ళకి ఏమీ ఉండదు. గోల్ ఉండదు. Goals, there are no goals. They don't have any goal. They don't have any feelings. వాళ్ళకి ఎటువంటి ఫీలింగ్స్ ఉండవు, ఎటువంటి గోల్స్ ఉండవు. కానీ నీకు చూడండి, తను కొంచెం బాధపడ్డాడు. ఏంటా బాధ అంటే తనకి ఎటువంటి గోల్ లేదో అనుకున్నాడు. when you lack purpose and strength. Why didn't he has no goal? Because lack of purpose and strength. Purpose and strength అంటే ఒక మనిషిగా పుట్టాం, మనకి కాళ్ళు చేతులు చక్కగా ఉన్నాయంటే మనం ఏ పని చేయగలగండి, ఒక ఎనర్జీ అనేది మన బాడీలో ఉంటుంది. మరి నెక్కి he has no strength because of being a torso. తను ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళాలంటే ఆ వీల్ చైర్లో కూర్చుని వెళ్తామే. సో he is totally dependent upon somebody else. So ikkada lack of purpose and strength. So it is hard to hold on, but then very suppressed, chala hard ga feel ayyadu. He said, but with the help of his relation, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. So after that, Indian philosophy generally, here is if any difficulty, we left almost all these things. ఏదైనా ఒక చిన్న ట్రబుల్ వచ్చినా, చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినా దాన్ని మనం వదిలేస్తాం. ఏదైనా ఎఫర్ట్ ట్రై చేస్తున్నాము, మధ్యలో ఏదైనా బ్రేక్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దాన్ని ఆ వర్క్ని మనం లీవ్ చేసేస్తాం, వదిలేస్తాం. కానీ ఫారినర్స్ ఎస్పెషలీ, దట్ ఈస్ దే ట్రైడ్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ అంటిల్ దే వాళ్ళు డూ ఆర్ డే అన్నమాట, చావో రేవో అన్నట్టుగా వాళ్ళు చివరి వరకు ప్రయత్నం చేస్తారు. అందుకే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ సక్సెస్ అవుతారు. Successful people మనం చూస్తే foreigners abroad, foreign people they succeed their life. In what manner they succeed their life? Here in this way they succeed the life. It is hard to hold on, he said, but with the help of his relation, friends and families. But Nick succeeded to whom? With the help of his friends, with the help of his relation. Nick ikkada ever support chesarandi? Tana friends, తన రిలీజియన్, తన ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫ్యామిలీ, వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph. You know children, triumph means triumph, T-R-I-U-M, triumph means here success. This is the pronunciation, triumph. Triumph means here is success. International symbol of success. Not only you are not the symbol of success of especially school, family, but here international symbol of success. Okay, success ki entire international, that is success ki definition, that is Nick proved that, he showed that is the international symbol of success. International symbol of success అంటే మనం నిక్ నే చెప్తున్నాం, అటువంటి డిఫికల్టీస్ ని, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని కూడా ఓవర్కమ్ చేసి దానికి అచీవ్డ్ హిస్ సక్సెస్. సో హియర్ adversities means, children note down, adversities means here difficulties. Adversities means here difficulties. Note down. Okay, so even though he overcome all adversities in his life, all difficulties in his life, until he succeeded his life, he became an international symbol of triumph, an international symbol of triumph. Okay children, because of his family, because of his friends, because of his religion. So almost all, that is, he helped. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and helped others, said Nick. So Nick, when he was 13 years old, children, when he was 13 years old, then at that time he read a newspaper article. And what the article here is, it is an article about an old man, a man, that is a disabled man who achieved a success, a disabled man who achieved a success. So 13 years age lo Nick em chesadandi, what he was doing? He was reading a newspaper article. What does the newspaper article? It is the article shows about disabled man's success. Disabled man's achieve great things. He read, that is to achieve a great man, that is great things, and help others. Nick ikkada tana chevina article lo emundante, oka disabled man tana success ni etla achieve chesadu, how he worked hard and how he achieved success, and how he helped some others. Not only himself, tane kaadu, tana success avadame kaadu, తన ఇతరులకు ఎట్లా హెల్ప్ చేశాడు, తన సక్సెస్ ద్వారా హెల్ప్ ఎట్లా చేశాడు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్. సో హియర్ Nick's life is that completely turned at the age of 13 when he read the newspaper article. It brought many changes in his life. It brought many changes in his life. What that is when he read the newspaper articles at the age of 13 years old. Children, turn the page number 5, first paragraph. I realized why God had made us like this. As a refer to physically handicapped people here. So when Nick realized at the age of 13 years old, after reading a disabled newspaper article in the newspaper, so that he understood that, he realized that God had made us like this. భగవంతుడు మమ్మల్ని ఇలా తయారు చేస్తున్నాడు, ఇలా ప్రిపేర్ చేశాడు అనే విషయం నాకు అర్థమైంది. ఇప్పుడు at the age of 13 years to give hope to others. What did God made them like? God made them to give hope to others. This is your life. This is your life. You should learn and you should give hope to others because being a torso. Being a torso. Nick నువ్వు torso. నేను ఎందుకు తెలుసు? నిన్ను తయారు చేస్తా ఒక బొమ్మలాగా, కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేనటువంటి వ్యక్తి నువ్వు. నేను నిన్ను తయారు చేసే ఈ ప్రపంచానికి. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ some that is inspiration, some hope to others. అరే కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేనివాడు ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్, గ్రేట్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తో ఉన్నాను నీ లైఫ్ కి, ఒక మంచి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్. సో మనం వెంటనే మనం చేంజ్ అవుతాం. మనం అన్ని ఉన్నటువంటి వీఆర్ ఆల్ ఫిజికల్లీ గుడ్, వీఆర్ ఆల్ ఫిజికల్లీ గుడ్, but we are not doing anything. This is very ridiculous to us. So being born as a torso, Nick, so he gives hope to others, hope to others. So this is he understood that. Nick అర్థం చేస్తుంది ఇక్కడ అదే, మమ్మల్ని భగవంతుడు ఎలా తయారు చేశాడు, ఎందుకంటే ఎందుకు తయారు చేశాడు? To give hope to others. To give here, to give hope to others. సో ఇతరులకి దట్ ఈస్ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్, హోప్ ఇవ్వటం కోసం మేము ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం. ఇట్ వాస్ సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ టు మీ. వాట్ వాస్ ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్? గాడ్ మేడ్ us and give hope to others was so inspirational to me. So inspirational to me. What was inspirational? Giving hope to others. Nick being a torso, giving hope to others is inspirational to me. ఒక డిజేబుల్డ్ పర్సన్ తన సక్సెస్ సాధించి ఆ సక్సెస్ గురించి ఇతరులకు చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఇన్స్పైర్ అవుతారు. ఇక్కడ Nick being a born as a torso, so that it was so inspirational means here giving hope to others is inspirational to me. That I decided, what he decided? To use my life. My life refers to Nick's life. To use Nick's life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. So finally, the article had given to give hope to others. You achieved something, then you should inspire something. You achieve చేస్తావు. You have no arms, you have no legs, you are a torso. So that you achieve something, then give hope to others. So because that is they inspired your achievements. When they came to know about that, your achievements, they inspired. So it is very important. It is very important for us. Now children, why should we learn? Because an ordinary person said that we didn't listen. But here, a disabled person, Nick, being born as a torso, no limbs, he succeeded. He is an international symbol of triumph. So he conveyed the message. So that's why we are all attaining. We are all interested to receive the message from Nick. ఒక ఆర్డినరీ పర్సన్ చెప్తే మీరందరూ వింటారా మెసేజ్? అరే బాగా కష్టపడి చదవంటారా, వర్క్ చేయండిరా, లైఫ్ లో సక్సెస్ అచీవ్ చేయండి అంటే ఎవరు వినండి. నో వన్ షుడ్ లిసన్. ఒక ఫేమస్ పొలిటీషియన్, ఒక అంబాసిడర్, ఒక క్రికెటర్, ఒక ఫేమస్ పర్సన్ కావచ్చు, ఒక హీరో కావచ్చు, ఒక హీరోయిన్ కావచ్చు, వాళ్ళు ఒక స్పోర్ట్స్ స్టార్, ఒక ఫిలిం స్టార్, వాళ్ళు చెప్తే వింటారు. ఇట్లాగే ఇక్కడ అనేక లైఫ్ లో మరి ఫైనల్ గా తను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే he has no limbs. So he conveyed the message. He realized the importance of having no limbs. Ayyo, ippudu na kaallu chettulu levani. They hated God, but no, I realized why God had made me like this. So that my duty is here to give hope to others, to inspire others because of my achievement. మరి నెక్కి ఇక్కడ అచీవ్మెంట్ ఏం లేకుండా తను ఏం చెప్పినా కూడా వింటారంటే ఎవరు వినరు. తను మంచి డిగ్రీ సంపాదించాడు. he obtained a degree ఫైనాన్షియల్ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ లో ఒక మంచి డిగ్రీ సంపాదించారు కాబట్టి తను సక్సెస్ అయ్యాడు కాబట్టి తను మెసేజెస్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఆ మెసేజ్ అందరూ కూడా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు, ఇన్స్పైర్ అవుతున్నారు. సో హియర్ నిక్ కంప్లీట్లీ చేంజ్డ్ because of here is a newspaper article about a disabled man. It brought Nick's life many changes. Now children, here by next class I think here continue. Children, I have to say one thing. So language is completely having text, and I think here half of the lesson I finished here. You should go through from first to up to when I finished in this page, first paragraph. You should go through and understood completely what I am explaining here, and note down difficult words which you feel, children. Then you have material. Then just like that, take the comprehension and write answers in a rough notes. It is very important. In this way, that is how much you understood that. So in what way you are going to understand the lesson, it is very important, because just you listen and skip the video, it is not benefit for you. So you understood the only when you are taking workbook, open the workbook and do the comprehension process up to the completion of the lesson. I have to finally say one thing, children, stay here at your home and safely. Okay, thank you. See you next class.